Want to delete a subdomain from Hostinger? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Once logged in, go to the website section. From the panel, click on Websites List. You will see a list of all your websites. Find the website you want to delete and click on the triple dot icon next to it. You will see 2 or 3 options, one of which is Delete. Click on Delete and a confirmation pop-up will appear. The confirmation box will ask you to check a box confirming that you understand all data stored on the website and its subdomains will be lost. Once checked, click the Delete button to complete the process. That's how you can delete a subdomain in Hostinger. On the other hand, if you need to get a discount on Hostinger, use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.